How's it going, everybody? Joel Prokosky, also known as JP, the insurance guy, coming at you with a Fun Fact Friday installment. A couple weeks ago, we talked about a question about boats and whether boats are covered under your homeowner insurance or not. Now, I have a special guest here with me today. His name is Owen. Owen, can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, awesome. So, Owen here is my 3-year-old son who loves boats. He absolutely, positively loves boats. So, I'm going to have him help me explain a little bit about boat owners and coverage and how it applies to your homeowners. And I actually also have my daughter Olivia in the background who wants to give her bit too. But on that note,
Daddy,
yes, honey,
a boat need keys.
the boat needs keys.
Yeah, but the white boat need keys.
Yeah, well, that's important because
Yeah, no, the white key, the white keys go a boat. White boat need engines go a walker need bubbles.
Really
Go a walker. That's your crap I give you.
awesome, dude. Well, we're gonna talk a lot about boats here in this
Yeah,
recording.
but anyway, you go drive and help with your key.
I'm gonna drive when I get the key.
No, me.
Oh, you're gonna drive when you get the key.
No, I got Grandpa sick. I'm sick and Grandpa sick.
Grandpa's gonna fix it.
Yeah, but it can't work in Grandpa sick key.
Right. Okay. That sounds good. Do you mind if I get back to what we were talking about? Can I do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, folks, are boats covered under your homeowners?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you gotta go on walking boats.
Hey, Owen, you gotta let Daddy finish his question. So, are boats covered under your homeowners? The answer is it depends.
Yeah, but I don't go ride the boat over there.
Owen's pointing at the policy here that I have in front of me now.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go ride the boat.
Bear in mind that this policy is with one particular insurance carrier. Not all carriers read this way. However, when I look at page 4 of the declarations in this carrier's policy.
But I'm gonna go on water. I'm gonna go home and get in a boat.
Yep, the boat goes in the water. Exactly, Owen.
But I'm gonna go on a boat.
Okay, buddy. All right, you gotta let Daddy talk for a little bit now, okay? Okay. So, under personal property, we cover Section 3, special limits for personal property. It does list under subsection D that there is limited coverage for watercraft, including their trailers, furnishings, equipment, and outboard motors. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Moni's gonna need cheaters.
Okay. All right, Owen. Thanks a lot for being on the channel here.
Yeah, but they don't need review.
I'm gonna have you. I want to have you go take a trip here. All right. So, basically, folks, when it comes to your homeowner's insurance, there's a special limitation. And this is true with this particular carrier. Some carriers don't cover certain horsepower or certain length of watercraft, and some don't even cover certain means of propulsion, whether it's inboard or inboard-outboard. Now, mind you, this policy says that it is covered under special limitations, but the thing to bear in mind is, if you remember a while back, we did a video about different homeowners forms and how most homeowners forms are known as special form homeowners policies. So what that means is that your personal property is covered, but it's only covered against what are known as named perils. So, for example, if you're in a boat out on the water and you collide with another boat, well, that is not a named peril on the homeowner's policy for coverage B, personal property. Collision is not a named peril. So therefore, you're not even going to have coverage for something like that. Coverage not only for the boat, but also in terms of liability. Liability is questionable. I'll say that because your homeowner's policy and liability, it does follow you everywhere. And as to how it pays is really up to the carrier and really a court of law. When it comes to liability, it gets kind of messy because it's a matter of how you were negligent in a given situation. So just bear in mind, if you're doing a lot of boating and you have a really nice boat or just a boat that might exceed the value that your homeowners will pay, if it'll pay at all, you're really going to want to have a separate boat owner's policy because your homeowners will not be adequate. So just some food for thought there, folks, and that answers the question, are boats covered under your homeowner's insurance? The answer, again, is it depends on your carrier, their limitations, and the kind of boat you have. So Hope you all enjoyed, and thanks again to our special guests, Owen and Olivia. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.